gonna learn how to end a song anywhere. Or might we need this trick when you're editing and you have a song, but you want to end the song somewhere that it's actually not the real end of the song. Let's come here and see this music that we have in my vlog. So yeah, it's not the end of the song, right? But I cut it in a quite decent place. So it sounds like it's like kind of the end of the song. So usually the fastest way what we would do is fade out the music, right? And it's alright, but it can be better, right? First thing we do is let's click this clip out and drag it down to duplicate it. Okay, I will drag this a bit more. You will see why later. And I'll cut it. And basically I'll mute this. So this is because we will be making a compound clip. And we will be adding reverb. Alright, so if we add reverb, the compound clips still has some space right here in order for the reverb to take effect. But if we didn't add this other track right here, and mute it, then our compound clip will end here. So it wouldn't have space for the reverb to take effect. So, essentially that's why. To switch between timeline, maybe you didn't have that turned on. Maybe yours looks like this. So usually what you could do is come to here and just go select your timeline. Or you can also double click, go back to the main timeline. But I find the nicest way that I like is to come here, the top left, and I put display stack timelines. So now I can just switch really easily between the tabs and the timelines, just like your Google tabs, right? Okay, so now that we have this, let's go to audio effects and let's type reverb. Nice, right here. Yeah, so you do hear the reverb, right? Crank the reverb time. So you see the reverb going way after the end of the song. Playing around with the room size. Okay, maybe a smaller room size. Let's see. Okay, let's do the extreme. Alright, that's the small room size. This is the big room size. Maybe in the middle, right? In the middle. Righty. That sounds pretty good. So what we will want to do is, at least for this case, for me, maybe I want more of that low frequency, right? You could also play with the output dry and wet. So just to demonstrate, when I put it all to the dry, there's no reverb. And when we put it to the wet, I think that was just now, you can hear it when it drags quite a bit. Maybe I'll just put it in towards the wet a bit, but not to the end either. A bit more. Yeah, and there you have it. You can also come here, right, to the FX tab and just change here. But let's say if you close this and you wanted that tab, that little window back again, you just come here and click this, little, what's this icon, like a dragging icon. So here, let's listen to everything. So yeah, here we have it. let's mute this and listen to just now. So that was before, and now this is after. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something today, and if you did, remember to hit that subscribe and like button so we can help other people like us and learn and grow together. Alright, bye bye.